Ready to unleash your freelance potential and thrive in the competitive world of Toptal? Freelancing success in Toptal is attainable, but it demands a strategic approach, and the foundation of that approach is built on professionalism. Treat every interaction, every project, and every deadline with the utmost seriousness, just like you would in a traditional job. This includes clear and timely communication, well-written proposals, and adhering to the agreed-upon terms and conditions. Next is delivering outstanding work. Quality is not just expected. It's absolute. The best work. Go the extra mile, exceeding client expectations, and take pride in the final product. Thorough testing, attention to detail, and a commitment to meeting or surpassing requirements will set you apart. Communication is key to maintaining a strong freelance client relationship, so be available, respond promptly, and strive for clear, concise communication. Keep clients informed of your progress, address their concerns proactively, and be transparent about any hurdles you encounter. Successful communication builds trust and fosters long-term collaborations. Finally, to keep your freelance success growing, put effort into long-term relationships with your clients. Stay in touch after projects, offer your insights and continued assistance, and be committed to continuously improving your skills. Always remember that working hard is crucial. Every project offers a chance to learn and grow, so approach each one with dedication and passion. These are all vital elements to excelling as a freelancer with Toptal. #Toptal Success #Freelance Tips.